The AI marketing loop. Essentially, every marketing process has four key steps. One is deciding who you're going to speak with. That's really about what audience am I going to target. But the next step is actually deciding where are you going to target them. Is it your email, SMS, push notification tool? So you need to activate that data of who you're going to target, those 10,000 people, and get it into those marketing activation tools. The second step, though, is actually collecting data from those marketing activation tools about what did they actually do? Did they click on the email? Did they open the push notification? You want to know that interaction data so you actually know what they're interested in terms of your marketing communications. Which leads us to step three. At this point, since you're sitting directly on the data cloud, you're going to have who you're targeting, the marketing response data of did they interact with my marketing, and you're going to know actually if they made a purchase with your in-store or online. If you have those three sets of data, you can start to visualize insights and actually see for this audience, I exported to three different channels. What did people actually click on and what did they actually purchase? So for the first time, I can string those together end to end and actually understand, did I drive the business value outcome that I wanted in a single location? And the fourth and final step, where I get really excited, is where we up-level this, is bringing AI into the loop. If AI has access to your audience targeting, your campaign response data, and the purchases that were made, it's really good at making suggestions of who you should target next time and for what purpose. So we have AI that with Marv and Gemini that's actually able to recommend to you who you should be targeting, but actually give you the reasoning why based on the previous campaigns because you're feeding the purchase data back to your audience as well. So if you bring that entire loop together, that's where it gets powerful. And you take data analysts they lay the groundwork with the data infrastructure, but they don't need to manually tie each step together in that loop. It's completely automated around your data cloud.